Hi, this is Kelly here from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make this ribbed tank top. And here I already started. It's going all the way in the rounds, and basically it has the regular size yarn. I'm using this really nice, beautiful yarn, and then the corresponding hook that they recommend. And I'm going in the rounds and just going up on the side so that it's covered on the side there. And I just wanted to show you this, just like I'm doing rounds of regular double crochets, just like this here, where you yarn over and then pull up one, go through two, and then go through another two. But here the important part is in the center, then having this ribbed, or it just looks like a cable knit. So what you do is this triple front post crochet, and then going in the back here for the first rib, also is a triple there, and then the same on this side, another triple, and then just going in between there to get into that back hook, also with a triple. And that gives you that cable knit. And then again on the other side with just that front post, and this has that nice feel to it. And in between, just doing the regular double crochets, and then another one, and another one, and then again for the center one, again with the triple front post right here, and then also a triple. You go in the middle one as a front post, a triple into the next one, also a front post triple one, and then a triple into that first one. This one gives you that nice cable knit pattern going into that first one that you skipped. And then on the other side also that front post triple crochet. So you're doing the triple crochet, then you miss that first one and then go on, and then you can do the same on that last rows. You have 3 rows of that continuing, and then just going around in the regular double crochet until you just go end your round with a slip stitch. So again, here we are once more to show you the front post triple crochet, and then you're skipping, oops, there's a little knot in here, then you're gonna skip the next one and just do that front post double crochet, triple crochet into the second one, then another one into the third, and then another triple one into that first one that we skipped. And then just in the end again, a regular triple front post. So that's that whole front pattern, and then all the way around just going with regular double crochets. And that's just all the way to the end of your first round, and we're going to do those on the sides. So here we are getting to the end of that round. So just to show you what to do in between, so it's just like slip stitch 2 right to it, and then just chain 2, go into that same one there with a double crochet, and then just all the way around. And since you can see sort of the change there, I placed it on the side so that you have it covered by your arm most of the time. So you just have to see how many rounds you need all around you. Rows and then rounds as high as you want. And then just for the top, we're doing the same but in a different color. You can do it in the same color, but you're doing a decrease there on the side so that it's going to be a rectangular just going in, and just with the double crochet 2 together decrease, just like that. Then chain 2, turn it around, and there also, instead of going into that same one, you're just gonna go right into the next one. So that first chain 2 will count as a stitch, and this way you will have that nice little incline plane going on the side. And then you're just going back and forth and doing that on each side, and in the center you keep going with the pattern of those front post triple crochets. So first just keep going with the double crochets right here. And then in the end, just to show you again, just gonna, the one before, you do a half a double crochet, run over into the last stitch, and then finish off that double crochet, and that's gonna be the decrease. Then again, chain 2, turn it around, and this one will count as a stitch, and then just keep on going, and then have the pattern in the middle, and do as many rows of that as you'd like so that you have it nice left and right. And then we'll just have to add the straps there and go all around. So I did this on one side, and now I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. So you're going to start at the top there, and then chain 1, 2, go to the next one and also do a double crochet, another double crochet, and then chain 2 and turn around. So that's a little thicker strap. I'm doing chain 2, then double crochet and another double crochet, and then chain 2 again and turn it, flip it around, and then just make it as long as you need it so it fits your shoulders. Just going flipping back and forth. It's actually, because you're only doing 3 stitches there, it's pretty fast. And then once it's long enough, just try it on, in between, just to check that you have the right length. And don't forget that they tend to stretch a little, so make them a little tighter. So mine's long enough. You're just gonna attach it to the back side. And also for the back, I did a smaller version of that incline or piece where both sides are being decreased, and then just loop through it and attach them to the very back, to the ends there, with a slip stitch. So 3 slip stitches along. Just like that. And then keep going on the edge there with a regular single crochet. And then just doing a single crochet all along the edge. to give it a nice finished edge there. So I normally do 2 into each double crochet there. Like I said, so the different color that I'm using there, it's just at the front where it's basic, so it's going in rounds all the way up to under your armpits, and then do the front part with the sides decreasing as I showed before, and the same in the back, also decreasing, but just not as tall or as high as you did for the front. So I just did that many rows, and then just going along with the single crochet along the edge there, and also keep going with the single crochet where I had the brown, so that everything is connected. So just like that all the way around, and then this is the finished piece. Thanks for watching. I have many other tutorials for crochet tops, summer tops. If you would like to describe, that would be great. See you next time.